Can you make money by typing names on the internet? Sounds too good to be true. Well, we're gonna talk about it on this video, but first, we gotta hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way? This is Carlos, joining my journey in Digital Marketpreneur channel. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet again to another video. This is Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And if you're brand new to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos with newer strategies to make money online and also new strategies for affiliate marketing, okay? And in this video, we're gonna talk about how can you make $100 up to $300 by just typing names on the internet. And this is a very simple strategy, guys. This is something that anybody can do, and all it takes is for you to do the work to go and start. Now, every strategy that I show in my channel or other channels are showing, a lot of people say, well, it does sound great and everything, but nobody takes action. So I hope you're not one of those, that you actually go and take action and make this happen, okay? So the first thing you need to go is we are going to jump into the computer, and you're gonna go to Google. Obviously Google, it's where everybody's gonna go, and you're gonna enter the name squad help .com. squadhelp.com, and it's gonna bring you to this website. Okay, to sign up for this website is completely free. Anybody can do it. Okay, so sign up for it, enter your information, and basically what you're doing is you are helping companies come up with names for their businesses, because a lot of them do not want or don't have the time for this. They're willing to pay $100, $200, $300 to actually have people come up with the names of their own companies. Now, I'm gonna give you a couple tips of what you guys can do so you can shortcut this and you're not just thinking out of your head, and maybe you do not come up with a very nice name, but maybe you are very creative. So there's many choices that you can actually do your own or go and use these other tips that I'm gonna give you, okay? So you sign up. They also do they do names, logos, and taglines. So let's go to names, which is the one that we're talking about on this video. So you are gonna go to contest, okay? And then when you go to contest, you're gonna click on active contest. But before I show you that, I want to show you that this is legit, okay? We're gonna go to recent winners, and once you click on there, it's gonna give you the list of everybody that has won money on this website. As you can see right here, this guy won by designing something for a business, $300. This person made $550 just by coming up with a name, okay? Let's see another one, just so you guys see. This is another name, Gamefinity. Gamefinity, okay? Built on trust, focus on details, a scripted tagline, okay? So you basically are coming up with these names and you are helping these companies. So we're gonna go back here. So we're gonna go back to the main page. You're gonna go to contest, and you are gonna go to active contest. Now, the one thing you need to understand about this website is you're bidding, and there's a time limit for every bid. So we're gonna undo this. You're not gonna do the pending winner selection. because you want the active ones and name only, and then you gotta go into right here, and then you gotta click on newest. Now this one, name for a construction or architecture company, early access. You have name for a home service business, and let's click and see how this one works. Usually 86 business and name ideas have been submitted to this contest so far. This is invitation only. Okay, so I want you to see that they paid $200 for that. What they mean by invitation is you move up within the ranks. What's gonna happen is you will have more authority in this website, so you will get invited to more of this contest. So you see this tier A, creatives only, people that have been here for a long time doing this. So you need to get started. This one says a brand name for clothing and fashion. I looked one earlier because I was doing this research earlier today. Name product name for a business. This is cloud software, but I saw another one that was more interesting. Name of marketing and advertisement business right here. This company is based in Toronto, Canada. Name the company, right? They are doing marketing or advertising business. And what I noticed is at the bottom, they have keywords that you guys can start with, okay? So you're gonna go back to Google, and this company have their own name software that you can come up with names. But you don't want to do that because everybody's using that. Everybody is like, okay, let me come up with a name. So you're gonna go name business generator. Okay, and you have two, businessgenerator.com, and you have namelicks.com. Obviously there's some other ones if you want to use, check them out, but those are the first two that I found. So you can go here, and as you can see, I was doing some of the research before, media and tech. They got mobile advertisement. If you go back to there, they have media, they have mobile, and they are an advertised company. So these are some of the names you gotta enter on the link. We're gonna do that again. So you gotta go to this business name generator, and you gotta go, and the company is, and as you can see, they have the keywords here. So creative, okay, we're gonna copy it, right? And then you are gonna go look for creative marketing. Let's go creative advertising. Okay, so we're gonna click on that. Now, before I click on this, how long it took me to find this? 2-3 minutes. Then you gotta go click and generate. So the whole process can take you between 5 to 10 minutes, and as many contests as you can possibly enter in a day. You just go and create all these names, then you go and take them. Advertisezilla, Advertising Prime, Creative Pencil, Creative Quest, Creative Drawing. There's a lot of good names out here that somebody could use. Advertising Motive, okay, Creative Monster. And if you look back at the winners, we gotta go back here, and we gotta go to winners, and we're gonna click on recent winners so you guys can see. This one was Lex Logic Q, okay. Name of a legal technology company. So if you go back here, these are all the names that they can come up with. And if you're not happy, or you just see a couple in there that you can use, you can go to business name generator, and then you can go for marketing growth, which was part of what they had as their business. they have marketing, right? And also they had growth. So marketing growth. So they're gonna grow your business. So you're gonna go back here, you're gonna generate the name. So basically they have a big array of names that they can actually use. And fantastic growth, lytics, growthix, logical growth. Okay, so there's many ways that you actually can come up with a lot of different good names. Grownomic, growth hive, growth of activity. You know, once you have all that information, all you gotta do is, you basically are just using other tools to actually do this, and makes it easy for you to bid on this. And this one is actually by the time of the recording of this video is 4 days. It's still 4 days and 11 hours to go for the actual bid to go through, and you get paid $100. So guys, this is very simple. All it takes for you to take the time and check this out. And as you can see, they even giving you their information for you to come up with those names. They're giving you everything. And if you read here, to be honest, I don't like the current name. It's supposed to be a mix of app and exposure, but I think it's just trying too hard to be clever. So you can come up with something that is even more creative. So go take action, sign up with this. And if you want more videos, more strategies, check the video that's coming right after this one, where you can get more strategies on how to make money online. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys can get notified when I release my videos and you don't miss these strategies. And I'll see you guys in the next video that's coming right up.